This new Huawei tablet outshines many laptops. We are referring to the liquid-cooled HUAWEI MatePad Edge. It's an exceptionally thin hybrid device, measuring just 6.85 millimeters in thickness and weighing 789 grams. Additionally, it's available in both space gray and silver colors. I believe the iPad should indeed be quite concerned. Its display features a 14.2-inch flexible OLED panel boasting a 3.1K resolution of 30x120 by 2080 pixels. The refresh rate is 120 Hz, offering a peak brightness of 1000 nits. Moreover, there's a version known as Soft Light, featuring a matte finish to diminish screen reflections. Huawei has introduced this device in 3 different variants, each distinguished by their processor. Both the standard and the soft light versions come with the Kirin X90, chip. Meanwhile, the most powerful version, termed the liquid-cooled edition, is equipped with the Kirin X90 processor, designed for high-performance tasks. It arrives in combinations of 16 minus 24 or 32 gigabytes of RAM and 256 512 gigabytes, 1 tera or 2 teras of internal storage. On the camera side, it has a rear module consisting of a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera with f2.2 aperture. At the front, it has a 32-megapixel camera with f2.4 aperture. The battery holds 12,900 mAh and supports a 140-watt ultra-charge. It comes with HarmonyOS 5.1 pre-installed, providing a PC-like experience as per the manufacturer. And yes, I understand the lack of Windows might not sit well with some. However, keep in mind that HarmonyOS allows Windows virtualization, making it a computer likely to attract significant interest from users. It also features near-link connectivity and a USB-C 3.1 Gen 1 port. Personally, I would have preferred to see additional ports to make it even more appealing. The starting price for the basic configuration is 5,999 yuan, which is approximately $844. Meanwhile, the price for the highest end configuration reaches 12,999 yuan. Keep in mind, though, that prices here might not be equivalent to those elsewhere. Now, I'm curious to know whether you prefer using a tablet or a laptop for your work needs. Do you enjoy these types of hybrid devices where you have the ability to completely detach the keyboard, allowing you to use it as a tablet when needed, and then reattach it to seamlessly switch back to PC mode?